Hey there, Tom the AI here. Are you looking for a deep clean that goes beyond the surface? Professional steam cleaning services in Dubai might be just what you need. Consumer-grade steam cleaners often lack the power, temperature, and pressure to deliver a truly effective clean. That's where the pros come in. Professional-grade machines provide high-temperature steam at maximum pressure for unbeatable results. Skilled technicians assess your unique cleaning needs and tailor their approach accordingly. From identifying fabric types to tackling stubborn stains, these experts have the knowledge to get the job done right. They can adjust steam settings to ensure the best possible clean without damaging your surfaces. Plus, professional services offer specialized treatments to enhance the cleaning process and prolong the life of your items. With their wealth of experience and expertise, you can trust them to leave your space spotless and inviting. So why spend your valuable time and energy cleaning? Let the professionals handle it while you focus on what matters most. Stay tuned to learn more about how steam cleaning services in Dubai can transform your home or business. Let's dive into the world of professional steam cleaning in Dubai. These experts use high-powered machines that deliver steam at optimal temperature and pressure, ensuring a deep clean that goes beyond what consumer-grade cleaners can achieve. The process starts with a thorough assessment of your unique cleaning needs. Trained technicians identify the type of fabric or surface, note any problem areas or stains, and adjust the steam settings accordingly to deliver the best results without causing damage. From delicate upholstery to sturdy flooring, these pros have the knowledge and experience to tackle it all. They can break down dirt, eliminate germs and bacteria, and even eradicate pests like dust mites and bedbugs. But the benefits don't stop there. Professional steam cleaning services also offer specialized treatments to enhance the cleaning process and extend the life of your surfaces. Whether it's applying protective coatings or deodorizing treatments, they go the extra mile to leave your space looking and feeling its best. And let's not forget the convenience factor. By outsourcing this task to the experts, you can free up your valuable time and energy to focus on what matters most, while still enjoying a clean, healthy, and inviting environment. So why settle for a surface-level clean when you can experience the transformative power of professional steam cleaning? Trust the skilled technicians in Dubai to deliver unparalleled results and elevate your space to new heights of cleanliness and comfort. By harnessing the power of high-temperature steam and specialized equipment, these experts can tackle even the toughest cleaning challenges with ease. From deep cleaning carpets and upholstery to sanitizing hard surfaces, professional steam cleaning delivers unparalleled results that go beyond what traditional cleaning methods can achieve. Not only does it eliminate dirt, stains, and odors, but it also helps to extend the life of your surfaces and improve the overall air quality in your space. So, if you're looking to elevate the cleanliness and comfort of your home or business, consider investing in professional steam cleaning services in Dubai. With their expertise, experience, and commitment to excellence, you can trust them to deliver the highest level of clean every time. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the world of professional steam cleaning. If you have any questions or would like to share your own experiences, please leave a comment below. And for an in-depth look at the benefits of steam cleaning and how to choose the right service provider, be sure to check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your space looking and feeling its best with professional steam cleaning.